Hi, thank you for joining me at the Cromwell Belden Public Library. My name is Miss Ashley, and today we're going to be making a cork sailboat. Alright, so the materials that are going to be included in your kit are 3 corks, 2 rubber bands, 1 wooden dowel, and 1 piece of scrap paper. So there's going to be a couple other things you're going to want to have or need to have at home, just depending on if you would like to decorate your sail. So I have an assortment of markers, but any kind of coloring utensil works. So you can also use colored pencils or crayons, whatever you want to use or have on hand at home. And then you're also just going to want to use scissors as well, so that we can cut the shape desired for our sail. So the first step in making our cork sailboat is we're going to take our 3 corks and we're going to take one of our rubber bands first, and we're going to, it's kind of tricky, but we're going to try to wrap our corks or our rubber band around the corks. And because this is a little loose, I am going to tie it again. So just going to pull, twist, and tie it around again. And mine are kind of bunched up, but you're going to want to make sure that they lay flat on the table. So you can either lay them on the table and fit them together until they lay flat, or you can do it in the air, whichever one works best for you. And then once they're able to lay flat on the table, you're going to take your wooden dowel and you're going to put it in, not the middle one, but either one on the end, and you're going to poke it through. You might need to use both hands and a little pressure for this. And you're just going to want to make sure it goes through so that it stays put, but not so that it goes through all the way on the other side. So I forgot to add my second rubber band, so we're going to do that now. Mine is pretty secure with just the 1 rubber band doubled up, but we're going to add the second rubber band just to make sure our corks don't go anywhere. So again, we're just going to double tie it, and it should make everything stay extra secure in place. And if you need to do some adjusting to make sure it lays flat still, or again, just make your adjustments and we'll go on to our next step. So now we're going to make our sail. So I'm going to take my scrap piece of paper, and if you want to keep it a square, or if you want to turn it this way and keep it a diamond, you are absolutely welcome to do that. I think I'm going to make my sail into a triangle. So I'm just going to maybe cut mine in half. And I think that would make a nice sail. So I'm just going to do some decorating. That's optional. You don't have to do decorating of your sail, but I am going to choose to do that. Alright, so I have decorated my sail, and for the next step we're just going to attach our sail onto our sailboat. So now we just have to attach our sail onto our sailboat. So what I'm going to do is, we used our dowel to mark our little hole, so I'm just going to take that out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the pointy side, and make sure you have a grown-up present or a grown-up's help for this step. And you're just going to want to go towards the side you've colored, and you're going to want to poke a little hole with your dowel, and then you're going to want to push using your fingers. Just push your dowel all the way through. And now we're going to want to do the same thing on this side, just at the bottom here. So we're just going to push through again to make a little hole, and put it kind of up towards the top here. And now we can put our dowel right back in the hole we made. And again, you might need to use a little bit of pressure here. And your cork sailboat is ready for the water. Thank you for joining me to make our cork sailboat craft. If you guys make this and would like to share pictures with with us. I'd love to see what you guys came up with. So you guys can tag us on Facebook or Instagram or send us a picture via Facebook Messenger. And thank you again for joining us. Have a great day.